and I will then say to thee, you are my friend. Carry me like you are my brother. Love me like a mother.